Hey friends, welcome back to new vlog of Trip Dude. Let us visit to the Pets Park at Mini Ooty, Malappuram in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. The place is located at around 13 km from the Malappuram town. The Pets Park is located before you reach the glass bridge. Check out video description, know about the timing and entry fees. You can spend time with a lot of pets here, including birds, animals and fishes. The crowd will be more during weekends, so plan to come during weekdays. Some of the popular pets here are the parrots, snakes, Iguana, Arapaima. You can interact with the pets with the help of staffs. It is a must-visit place with your family or friends if you are in or near Malappuram.
ഞാൻ കുറച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വിളിക്കാം കുറച്ച് താപിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ ആയിരുന്നു
The snake and Arapaima were my favorite pets in this park. You let me know about your favorite pets in the comment section below. If you want to interact with birds, then you can pay extra charge and get into this room where you can give food and interact with parrots and lovebirds. This children's play area is also part of the pets park. There are some snack shops available within the area. And there are few other paid activities for kids like this water boat and train. Do visit the place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.